Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Pura 7D, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our toggles by swiping down from the top right side of the screen like so, and then swipe down right here to extend the list of toggles. Next, locate the screen recording toggle. For me, it is right over here. Once you see it, simply press on it. First time around, it will ask you to grant it permission to basically file, so you can store it somewhere, and also microphone, because by default it comes with the microphone being enabled. Something to keep in mind once you press on agree. There we go. So, like I mentioned, microphone is enabled by default, so I did want to pause that or suspend the actual microphone while keeping the screen recording. Now, whatever application you'll open right now will be recorded. So once you've done whatever you wanted to with recording, you can click right here on the overlay to stop the recording. And this will save it to your gallery application. So I'm gonna find that app right now. There we go. And you can see your screen recording at the very top if you have just captured it. Later on, it might be easier to find your screen recordings by going into the albums, and here you want to navigate to screenshots, and that's where you will find also your screen recordings. Now, there is one last thing that I want to mention. Even though you can see me opening up some application right here, like I opened up Clock, there is a limitation. Not every application will allow you to record it, and as an example, I'm not exactly sure if Huawei has access to things like Netflix, but if it does, I can guarantee that Netflix will most certainly be the the cunty little app that will basically be blocking screen recorders. And the reason I'm just kind of like, calling it out is because Netflix comes pre-installed with most devices nowadays. And even though you haven't agreed to the terms of use, terms of service, you rejected anything that it pops up when you open up the application, nor have you logged into the app, it can still block the screen recorder. So apparently, applications like Netflix have more control over your own device than you do. They didn't pay a single dime, yet they can control what you can record. You haven't agreed to anything from them. Now, the reason I'm pointing that out is because what you will experience is not that the screen recorder just stops. You might think that you're recording everything, but what will happen is when you're trying to play it back, you're going to be presented with a straight up black screen. And that is only when you're playing the recording back that you can find that out. Other way you can quickly check if you can screen record something or not is just open the application and do a quick screenshot. And if an application can be screenshotted, it also can be screen recorded. Now, to explain also this feature quickly, it's designed for privacy and security, and it's usually implemented into correct applications like bank apps. It might be a little bit annoying sometimes that you can't capture a screenshot in your bank application, but that is a minor disconvenience comparing it to, for instance, by mistake downloading some kind of malware, or maybe not by mistake, but unknowingly, and then having that malware spy on your bank app and, for instance, figure out what kind of pins you're putting in because they can see your screen. With this kind of feature, this malware wouldn't be able to see anything outside of just a black screen. So you can imagine, in this aspect, it's pretty good. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.